What is up, guys? We are headed out to Carpenter, Colorado. So it's a mining town that was around in the 1800s. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. I've got my wife and kid. We got some friends along. That's Monica. Trail that we're gonna do, it has not been mapped out on Onyx, so you guys can check it out if you want to, if you guys are in the western Colorado area and want to check it out. So buckle up, we're gonna go for a ride. Okay, Bubba, you ready? Yeah. Say, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Well, I've been rolling in since the clock ain't much morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order up around the shops and it's away we go. Switch up, roll down, get down. Order up another round of shots. Turn to get drunk, get some, have fun. Ain't this trouble, baby, like in a night. I'm a gym, been drinking, big drink, singing la 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 la, dancing machine. Been a hell of a week and I need to know what to see. Look at those.
Okay, so we have made it to Carpenter Canyon. We actually made it up to the mine, but we mapped out the route from the OHV area to the mine. So that is now in the maps, and you can check out the mine. We're gonna try to find some old building ruins and see what we can come up with. I'll take a spot right down here. It looks pretty cool. It says we're still up here and to the right, but well, that's nice. No stuff there. The old mine is actually back here somewhere. Look at that. You got it, Mama? You okay? Okay. Check it out. Come on in. Come on in. Come into my humble abode. Only 3 more payments and this baby's mine.
I actually don't remember seeing this last time.
Well, we made it all the way up to the mine. You don't realize how out of shape you are until you get to hiking. But we made it to the mine. So a few people, kids back in high school, back in the day, I don't know if it was the 80s, but they closed this mine. They went inside and the fumes from inside the mine killed them. They didn't even know it. We love and miss you. Christian, Kathy, and Greg.
Let's go.
So here's part of the other dwelling. Here's another spot. But what we're going to do is we're going to go up on top of this hill over here, and that's going to show us in the big picture where they all were. You can see part of the old rail system that came in. You see that line right there. Not quite sure what it was, but it is somebody's house maybe. So this is the whole town. Can't really tell where there's any more structures left. There's a little bit of one like right there, and there's the one we just passed is right over there, but this was the whole town right here. But we are kind of running out of time because we have some weather coming in, but it's fine. We are only about 10 miles north of town, but you can check it out. It's kind of cool. There's a lot of old history out here. So this was a complete mining town that there's, I'll insert a picture of what this town used to look like, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. We're gonna do some more exploring out here during the summertime, but we are gonna wrap that up for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Grenade!
What?
We turn around. This.